Tonight I thought I would try to help Montana out with his truck. That little snot is always playing tricks on me. Haha, Montana, very funny.
I gotta examine each one of these lock washers. This planetary here has been unloosening and it keeps leaking. So now this lock washer here is flat when it's supposed to look something like, where are those other two? There it is. Like this. Where it's, once the bolt comes up against it, it'll put pressure against the bolt once it pushes it in, because this will act like a spring, so then the bolt cannot back off on the planetary. Very much.
What are you doing? Just inspecting everyone?
Making sure that these washers aren't flat. So then it'll actually be able to lock.
Here's the front of the truck, getting ready to be re-fiberglass for the show. This is all maintenance. Maintenance, maintenance, maintenance.
See the new drag link they put on there?
Nice.
You know what that is, Mom? You know what the drag link is, Mom?
No, would you show me?
It's that right there, but it's on the front.
Is this the new one with the pretty pink?
Yeah, don't worry, I'm sanding that down.
Could make it brighter pink?
No. Yeah. They should put it orange like my helmet.
Yeah, that would be sharp. New color scheme. Where's your helmet?
It's up in the Slim's room. So dry. Put her in his oven.
All right, well, you're doing a great job. Got a lot of shows to go to.
We'll try.
All right, signing off for the night. Say goodnight.
Good night.